Hello, good morning everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. Today is 23rd of June. So I'd like us to start off our analysis with the chart on my screen. If you remember yesterday we had a level here. We drew a good resistance level somewhere here. So we called this a resistance. It was used here as a resistance. We were expecting the price was supposed to come back and use it. Unfortunately, that did not happen. We have another level here. We have a level there, and then we have another level there. So as it is right now, we expect the price to come down and touch this level here. We expect the price to move down, touch this point, then bounce back from it, and then head straight back to the upper side. So if the price can successfully bounce off from this level here within these two lines, the first one is 1.21879, the next one is 1.21769. If the price bounces off from them, then that will be a good place to look for a buy position from. We do expect the buyers to push us back to the upper side, so we're going to look for a buy here. Our stop loss is fixed below the low of this candle. Our take profit is here, the first one. The next one is the line we have at the top. So if you successfully buy it here, keep that position open up to this point. If this level is broken, expect it to continue upwards up to this level here. On the other side, if the price should break below this point, if the price should break below this zone here, then we're going to pick a sell position. We do expect the sellers to push us down up to around 1.20917 or the next one is 1.20848. If the price descends below these two lines, then that will be a sign that now we are continuing to the seller side, at least up to this point here. The next instrument is the Brent oil. So you remember what I mentioned yesterday. I did say that the Brent oil is bearish. We are looking for sell positions. The reason I said we are looking for sell positions is because the price has been giving us lower highs. So you can see that. Here we had a higher high here. The price went down. It formed a lower low. Then it gave us a high which is lower than the previous high. Then it continued down, lower low. It came back, gave us a high which is lower than the previous high. It went down, formed a low here. Then it gave us a high which is lower than the previous high. So this overall is a bearish trend. We are into a sell. We are looking for sell positions on that chart. Just a second, let me try drawing something. No, we can't use this here. We can't use it. It's not going through as I expected it. So this is a very good downtrend. We do have a level there. We do have a very good level here. This was used as a support previously. We had a support, we had a support, we had a support. There was this breakout. The price used this as a resistance, and we have this. So we have a support here, we have a support. Then there is this one, there is the current candle which is going downwards. We don't expect it to break below this point. We don't expect the current candle to close below this point. But today's candle, the daily candle, may likely break below these two lines, therefore to push price even lower. So as it is now, you either sell it when the price breaks below this point, or buy it when the price bounces from the same point back to this point here. This will give us a good place to sell from, or you may want to wait and sell it here. You can sell it there. There's a break below, we have a resistance. You can sell it here, or wait and sell it here, or wait and sell a break below this point here. The next instrument is a Euro USD. Looks like this is headed for a short. We are sellers. We have a resistance there, and then we have another one here. So basically where the price is now may likely be a good place to look for a buy from. So we had a resistance here, we had a resistance here, and then we had a support there, then we had a support there, and then we have a support there. So basically this will be the best place to look for a buy from. This is the best place we want to look for a buy position from. We expect the buyers to push us upwards, at least up to this trend line here, and in case the price breaks below this point, then we do expect it to continue down up to this point there. We have it there. So if the price breaks below this trend line, I expect the sellers to push us down to this point here, where we look for a buy position. In case the price descends below these two lines, then the next place is these two lines, the one we have at the bottom. The next instrument is gold. So on gold, so far nothing much appears to be happening. On the Forex chart, we do have very good levels, like we have a resistance here. So we have this is a very good resistance at the top. We have a support there, like that, and then you have another level like that. So basically this is the best place we want to look for a buy from within these two lines. This is 1833.29 and this is 1830.83. This is going to be the best place we want to look for a buy position from, at least up to these two lines here. If the price breaks above these two lines, then that would be a sign that now we're continuing even higher. On the other side, on the lower side, on the lower side, if the price should descend below this point here, then that will be a sign that now we are continuing to the lower side. So that should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.